The next section of the Betaflight configurator that we will be setting up is the motors. We proceed and see that there is a subsection called Mixer, which visually displays how our quadrocopter should look, essentially its model. Arrows indicate the classic motor rotation directions and their numbering. So, we see that traditionally the motor rotation directions are set so that the propellers rotate inward. However, they can be changed. Some people reverse the motor rotation direction so that the propellers do not blow dirt, leaves, or something similar onto the camera. A bit lower in the AST motor function section, the data exchange protocol with the EST is shown D-SHOT-600. In our case, this is good, but D-SHOT-300 can also be used. They are similar, and the quadrocopter will work with either protocol. Next, here you can also check the motor rotation direction to ensure they match those shown in the diagram. To do this, you need to enable this slider. Confirm that you understand the risks that may arise during use and carefully read the comments. Remember, it's important to remove the propellers to avoid injuries during testing. When you enable this slider, the upper sliders become active, allowing you to control all motors simultaneously or each one separately. The master slider allows you to adjust the RPM of all motors at once, while the other sliders allow you to adjust each motor RPM separately and check whether the motor is working. To check the direction in which the motor rotates, take, for example, the master slider, set it to the minimum position, for example 1035 or 1050, and simply touch the motor spindle with your hand to check in which direction it rotates. If the rotation directions do not match those shown in the diagram, they can be changed in at least two ways. First, simply swap two wires on the corresponding EST connector, which will reverse the motor rotation direction. Second, use the Betaflight configurator. For a second way, there is special section. For example, if the motor numbering is incorrect, you can change it. There is also a subsection for changing rotation directions. After, confirm that you understand the risks, and the setup wizard will appear. Launch it. Pin the motors, either all at once or one by one. For example, select the first motor, check its rotation directions. If it matches, good. If it doesn't match, press again and it will start rotating in the opposite direction.